Here's a 2013 Toyota 4Runner. When the pavement ends, only the strong survive. That is why Toyota built this 4Runner to endure the harshest off-road conditions. It will keep you safe with anti-lock brakes, stability and traction control, and multiple airbags. It even has a power rear liftgate and hill start assist. On-road or off, this SUV is ready to go wherever you want to take it. Come check it out today.
At Milham Ford Toyota Scion, we sell, stock, and service all models of Ford, Toyota, and Scions. Visit us today at 3810 Hecktown Road in Easton, Pennsylvania.